So here at TR Oliver, we have a diesel repair shop servicing our own trucks and outside fleets. We have accessibility roadside service to all trucks of our own fleet and other fleet trucks that sign up on our service plan. We are currently building a roadside service here in Southwest Washington to not only be able to utilize and help our customers, but help our trucks too. Elo, Arizona, one of our newer operations and terminals down in Arizona, offers the same diesel repair and roadside service for all our customers. So if you guys need any help and you are stuck and you can't get timely service, give us a call, 360-694-7368.